Hi everyone, I'm Ongezwa Ntsepe and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this channel, we discuss everything that has to do with the business, the successes, the failures, and everything in between. And in today's video, is going to be in a vlog-ish format because I want to show you guys how I take my product pictures. So let's get into it. So the first thing you need to note before we go and take the product pictures is that make sure that you have an idea of what you want to do before you start the process so that it makes it easier and smoother. So you can go to Pinterest or just Google some pictures just to give you an idea of what you want to do. Also, take stock of what you have on hand so that you already know what you want to do when you are taking your product pictures, when you're doing your setup. And also, when you are taking your pictures, you don't have to do like a big setup. You can do a setup for 4 people, for 8 people, or for 2 people, just to show what you can do. You don't have to make a big setup that is going to cater like for 50 people. You just want to do something that's going to show people what you are able to do and what you can do with what you have. And also you don't have to have much stuff. You can have a few things, but then just switch them up a bit to make different setup situations so that you can take pictures of them for your Facebook, for your advertising, Instagrams, whatever it is that you're using to advertise your business. So let's get into it.
And I've been chilling, watching the ocean with you, baby, up with a slow motion crew. And we up in our cloudlands when people change, but not us. And we just chilling, kicking it, kissed by the sun. Could be soaked to the skin in the mall soon. I know she got the good vibes when seasons change, but where to say.
When you're taking your pictures, make sure that you take them from different angles. This is going to help you to have more content to post and to also show the different aesthetics of your decor.